All right, hello everyone. This is Mr. Wagner here. I'm here to perform the What Blood Types Can Be Mixed lab for you. You'll first notice that in terms of safety stuff today, I really don't have any goggles on or anything, and that's because we wouldn't have to use them in class with this lab either. It's really just looking at different colors of water, so it's just water mixed with food coloring. So there's nothing dangerous here that we would have to wear goggles for. So really not much in terms of safety, except for just be careful with the glass bottles. So that would really be the only thing. And so in terms of this lab, we would have this well tray here, and we're going to put drops of that colored water in the columns as we go down, and there's going to be 4 different wells in each column, as you'll see. And if you're looking at your lab sheet, we're going to work down, and then we'll work across in terms of donations. And so the first thing we would have is just the setup, where we're going to have 5 drops of colored water in each well. So let me just kind of get that going. And so we've got our 5 drops of red or type A blood going down that first set of wells, in first column. And then the second individual is type B blood, so that's going to be all blue going down. The third type is type AB. And AB is a mixture of A and B. And so if you take red and blue in terms of color and mix them, you get purple, and so we've got kind of a purpley color in that third column. And then type O is not going to have either one of those proteins on there, so it's just going to be clear. And so that would be our first setup for table 1. So when you go to fill out table 1, it should basically read red all the way down, blue all the way down, purple all the way down, and then clear all the way down. Okay, so that's for table 1. For table 2, we are going to add a donor. And so each of these people would represent a patient, and they're receiving blood from someone else. And so we're going to see, and we're going to go across. And so our top row here is going to receive type A blood going all the way across, then type B blood going all the way across, type AB, and then type O across the bottom there. And so let me go ahead and get that started. And we're just adding 5 drops again. And then our second row is going to be receiving type B blood. Our third row is receiving type AB blood. And our fourth row is receiving type O blood. Okay, and so what you'll see here is you'll end up with some different color changes, and I'm going to take pictures of both the before and the after from an above view so you can get a better idea of what the colors are. But from there you should be able to determine what types of blood is safe to donate to certain types of people. And so what you'd be looking for is an actual color change, not a change in like did it get darker red or lighter red, but an actual color change. Is it no longer red? And so if it changes colors, that means it was not safe. If it stayed the same color but maybe just changed shades, then that means it is safe. So you're not putting light or dark, you're just putting what colors they are, if they're red, purple, blue, or clear. Those are your 4 choices as you fill in the data table. And so that would be what you're going to fill it in for table 2, just what colors are present. And then for table 3, what you're going to fill out is it safe or is it not safe? So you're just putting a yes or a no, and how you tell is you compare the table 1 to table 2. If the color stayed the same in the same box, then that means it was safe. If the color changed, that means it was not safe. And so you just answer yes or no, and then you'll have some questions to answer. I believe there's 6 of them on there. And then also you have a CER conclusion to write. And I put on the lab sheet, but just a reminder, if you don't remember what a CER conclusion is, there's that sample lab format report sheet. If you click that button on Canvas on the home page, then that'll take you to that page to review that. All right, I hope you guys have a good understanding of this, and if you have any questions, please let me know, and hope to talk to you about it soon. Bye.